presenting a pre-owned 2007 Honda Civic Si. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Honda has less than 200 to 1,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.